Hello, again, Troy White, Hoodoo Financial, and I want to talk to you an, about the timing that we currently exist in. And what I want to propose to you is that you are approaching or entering or are currently in the middle of one of the times when it is the most important for you to begin investing. And that is what I am talking to you today about. And I'll attempt to do it briefly to convince you that the time is now for you to become an investor, for you to start investing. And it's the importance of wealth building. And we are in a transitional economy, call it a recession or whatever you want to name this. There will be a recovery. And so during recoveries, economic recoveries, there are winners and losers. And so I am suggesting and requesting that you be on the side of the winners. And so partially you need to understand how these recoveries are resets to wealth building that can catapult you and your family into the stratosphere in terms of wealth generation just going forward you'll be your family can become part of the haves and exit the land of the have-nots if you invest consistently. And the time is always going to be now. It doesn't matter, so I'm granting you that. Do you listen to any financial advisor, money manager, investment manager, and you say, hey, when's the best time to start investing? It literally always is now, but it's now with a red flag on it. So it's now with even more importance than could previously have been said, emphasized. And the only way you're going to achieve your goals is by investing. There's no way to save your way to something. To little goals, you can save and get a down payment on a car or a house, but again, you cannot save your way to success, save your way into wealth. You have to make your money start working for you. You have to invest. And the only way to achieve goals, and I'm encouraging you to have big goals. You're here on earth for the benefit of you and your legacy. So live it to the fullest and do it to the maximum. And the way to achieve those type of goals is to learn, plan, and invest in the stock market, real estate, and in yourself, meaning entrepreneurship, business. Learn, plan, and invest. Invest in yourself. Invest in the stock market. Invest in real estate. And so you need, but the time is now, meaning stop wasting time, specifically and especially for those of you who are not investing, who have not done anything. And for those of you who are, I'm suggesting and requesting that you step your game up a little bit more. And so even those of you who have been learning a lot and now let's implement a lot. Let's like I say, step it up some more. There's more to learn. There's always more. There's more niches to dive into, investment arenas to tackle. So there's ways to step your game up. And so stop wasting time because again, the time value of money. So time is on your side, but it's against you when you don't invest. But time is on your side when you do invest. So we need to use time as a component. There's the amount of money you put in, there's the time that we have to invest between now and the achievement of our goal, and there's the investor behavior. So that's why we need to improve your financial literacy as well. All right, and so you need to become financially literate so that you will improve your investor behavior. So that as a consistent investor, we take advantage of this time, the time that you have between now that you start working with a professional or you start improving yourself financially from an investment standpoint, or you start working with a professional like myself, from now till then, you need to become financially literate and improve your investor behavior and remove the fear of failure. That fear of failure goes away as you improve your financial literacy. And so you stop being a timid investor and start being an active, um, I call it more aggressive investor. You're able to be more aggressive as your financial literacy improves, your investor knowledge improves, your financial behavior improves. And so uh, move, uh, the access from move from just having access to these type of accounts, online accounts and so on, and being a novice investor into the world of, from online trading to finance and investment fundamentals, and taking this information and putting it to use for your specific circumstance. And often you need professional advice for that. And so if you currently have someone great, call them, start working with them with these concepts in mind. Right now, you have to improve what you're doing, and especially if you're doing nothing. You need to take on this new era that we are embarking on. The playing field is almost being leveled all over again, and it's time for you, and there is the opportunity for you to take advantage of it in a major league way. So again, so I'll include in the link a link for a strategy session for you and I to talk. But I'm only talking about implementation of a strategy for you. That means we're doing something. I'm not going to convince you to do nothing. Watch videos if you need convincing, scour the internet. If you have access and you think you know what you're doing, go do it on the internet. But if you contacted me, we're taking some action. So we're going to be in opening accounts. I'm going to be enrolling you in courses. So there's going to be some expenses, but minimum. There's no investment minimums at our firm, but we're going to do something. So, though I'll include a link to our portfolio builder course. It's actually an investment program. So we are going to learn, become financially literate. We're going to engage in financial planning, and you're going to actively invest to build a portfolio under my investment management. So if you're interested in that, I'll include that link. If you just want to, if you need my help in some other way, there will be a link to a strategy session. We'll do a Zoom conference and talk it out and figure out how to move you to the next step towards building an investment portfolio. Otherwise, please continue to watch the videos, and especially for you do-it-yourselfers. Hopefully, I can help you with this information. Thanks for listening. Holla.